We are driving the growth of diverse sectors like power, metal, oil and gas, sugar, cement and aggregate, chemical and pharma, paper, food and beverages, mining, water and wastewater, textile, and automobile, to name a few. We have successfully solved some of the key applications like VFD for kiln, EOT grade crane, centrifuge machine with active front-end converter, total turnkey solutions for roller table, sugar mill, fans for boiler, wagon tippler, master-slave operation to name a few. Our motor control basket include variable frequency drives, VFD, medium voltage drive, MVD, electronic soft starters, and engineered systems. We offer varied engineered systems. They are available from IP21 to IP55, simple logic to complex solution. Amtech, an Indian multinational, is a pioneer and trendsetter in motor control, automation, power quality, and industrial electronics, having an outstanding base in research, development, manufacturing, marketing, and customer support. Our products are designed, developed, and manufactured by Indians in India for the world. Amtech, driving solutions, driving success.